I thought these are all sugar cane, but these are all not sugar cane. A special type of grass, a special type of fodder for cattle like buffalo, cow. Initially, I thought they are the form of sugar cane. No doubt it belongs to grass family. Seems to be sugar cane, but these are all not sugar cane. Muktanand Bapu Ashram, Chaparada. In Saurashtra, these type of crops are grown, not sugar cane. This is a type of grass for cattle. In Saurashtra region, it is grown. Previously, I thought sugar cane. Now I come to know these are all grass. Biologically, botany, you can say grass family, but not sugar cane, grass. Hybrid grass.